So in a previous video, someone had a question as to how I mounted the solar panels onto the roof of the Honda. Basically, I had these roof racks already. The reason the bars are so wide is that we put a canoe and a kayak up there together. So I just left them that width. So if I want to take the solar panels off at some point, it's still functional for the other way we use it. Basically what I did is went to Home Depot, picked up this angle iron with the slots and holes in it. Came in 8-foot lengths, I believe. And I just U-bolted that to the roof racks. And the slots made that fairly easy to line up. The U-bolts I got at Home Depot as well. And because the solar panels are 2 feet by 3 feet, I managed to get 4 panels on the roof. I've got 4 of these slotted angle irons running the length of the car, and I put one across the front and the back just to kind of tie it together, and then Gorilla Tape on there so that it wouldn't look so industrial. Everything is fastened with bolts and lock nuts so that it doesn't vibrate loose. And I've got, I'm going to say, thousands of miles on this because I drive about 400 miles each way to work every couple of weeks. And I've been doing this since the spring and nothing's come loose. I drive at highway speeds with no problems. I don't notice any extra noise, any vibration, or any issues at all as far as that goes. The wiring, the 4 panels in series, just basically comes off the roof and in through the window. I can open the window up, which I normally do when I'm sleeping, but there's enough of a give in the seal around the window that when I do want to close that, it doesn't really pinch the wires. And I've got enough extra cable that I can open and close the back door without any trouble. I've got MC4 connectors just inside into the breaker box, and on the outside on this side of the window with some short extensions there. And it works pretty well. These covers are just something that I made with automotive windshield covers and some adhesive magnetic strips that just go onto the metal frame of the window. And I just label them, so if I want to take them off really quickly, I can do that. And I've got full visibility. And when I get to where I'm staying, I can just throw them back up. And it's good to go.